for you.
Me?
Yes, ma'am. You ordered a hair unit from me, right?
Yes.
Well, I've come here to install it in person.
I just had surgery, and nothing would make me feel better than to look better than I look.
Oh, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that today.
Thank you so much.
So what we're doing is, I know we don't want to fight the gray any longer.
Right.
So we're gonna enhance it and just have you gray, because that's what that's what Mother Nature is giving you.
That's right.
So what we need to do, we can't make white hair, but what I've done is I've got a 613, and then I'm gonna go ahead and neutralize the color to take the yellow out and make it white.
Okay.
The purple shampoo will take the yellow out. Don't want to leave it in too long because you don't want purple hair. You just want it enough to neutralize. I don't put the shampoo directly on the hair. I dilute it by lathering it up and then going through the hair and dispersing the shampoo evenly.
It's almost looking platinum in some ways. When you change light and you get them sweats that hit when the flashes come, if you got a heavy wig on, you just want to snatch it off.
That's true.
I was in church one time with a wig on. Boy, I took that thing off. I went to the bathroom and took it off. My friend said, "What happened?" I said, "I got too hot. I can't deal with this." This is gonna be so nice. Then when I get my face made up, my dad used to say a little bit of powder, a little bit of paint.
Is that what your dad
It's
said?
just gonna make you think you is what you ain't.
Oh!
That's what he always said. Wow, it's so easy to, look how you rubbed your hands through it. Just like real hair.
Well, this is real hair. Now that's on your head. It's absolutely really true.